All right, let's now get you the latest in the Telangana phone tapping scandal, and the BRS and Congress now locking horns over this. Remember, yesterday the Telangana Congress chief deposed before the SIT, and later in an interview emerging from that questioning, he blamed the BRS for election losses of the Congress, saying that they had spied on netas and judges. Well, let's go across to Uma Sudhir for more on this. And Uma, the KTR has now slapped a legal notice against Mahesh Kumar Gaud.
So Mahesh Kumar Gaud, after giving a statement to the Jubilee Hills ACP, had spoken to NDTV and he made 4 important and very serious allegations. He said that the SIT had told him that as many as 650 Congress leaders' phones had been tapped for multiple years, and he pointed out that he was the working president of the party at that time and constantly in touch with the PCC chief at that time, who is now the chief minister, Revanth Reddy, and he believes that the tapping of the phones had a role to play in the Congress actually had expected to win 90 assembly seats but had only won 63 assembly seats, and he believes that whether their movement or any of their strategic plans or even a protest was known to the establishment because of the tapping of the phones, and they had even threatened the Congress supporters, because of which the Congress had lost in so many of those assembly constituencies. The second important allegation that he's making is that he was named as a Maoist sympathizer, saying that he had been providing provisions and his name was not recorded with any suffix or prefix. It was only recorded as Mahesh, and that he had been supplying provisions, and he said that is again a very serious ground on which the action needs to be taken. The third one, he says, is that all this is done under the guidance of KCR and KTR, because only for 3 days any unusual kind of a tapping of phones can happen, and that was happening for several years, and every 2 months the chief secretary and the DGP and the home secretary should have reviewed whose phones are being tapped, and that it continued to happen over so much period of time only shows that directly the political leadership was involved in the tapping of the phones itself. Of course, KTR has now slapped a legal notice on Mahesh Kumar Gaud, demanding an unconditional apology and saying that there is no basis for making these kind of serious allegations against KCR and KTR. And Mahesh Kumar Gaud lastly had also said that it's not just his phones but also the BJP leaders, judges, businessmen, celebrities, all those phones had been tapped, and that they were all that material, hard disks, had been asked to be destroyed at a time when the results were just coming out, because the BRS had come to know that they will be losing this particular election, and therefore all the hard disks, he alleges, had been destroyed. So there may be no way of knowing how long this had been going on and how wide this had been going on, and only the last 15 days or so material is available in the form of hard disks. Back to you.